Chapter 10, Formulas. Forming expressions and formula. There's nothing new that you need to, knowledge that you need to have, so you can pause the video and have a go at examples 1, 2 and 3 yourself first. Example 1. Write down the formula of the perimeter P of the hexagon. So a formula will have a subject, that's what it's something that's trying to work out. We're trying to work out the perimeter, so the formula will start as P equals. And then the perimeter of this shape we write down on the right hand side, and what is it? It's going to be those letters added together. So to make sure they don't overlap, I'm going to start here. Y plus X plus Y plus Y plus X plus Y. That's a formula. Sorry for the Y's being so poor. And that will get you the marks. It would be good practice to simplify your formula. So how many Y's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many X's? 2. So we could write that as 2X plus 4Y. Example 2. I'd buy 5 apples costing A, P each, and 3 bananas costing B, P each. Write down a formula for the total cost of the 5 apples and 3 bananas. Well, the formula is for the total cost. So my subject is going to be the total cost. I need to give it a letter. So for cost, I'm going to give it C. So total cost equals. And how much do the 5 apples cost? Well, they cost AP each. So if I had 5 of them, what would that cost? Well, if let's say it was 10p. To work out the cost, it would be 5 times 10. If it was 20p, it would be 5 times 20. If it was 40p, 5 times 40. The cost is going to be 5 times the cost of one of them, which would be 5 times A, or 5A. Similarly, for the bananas, if you'd 3 bananas, if they cost BP, what's that in total? Well, if they cost 10p, that'd be 3 10s, 30p. If they cost 20p, that'd be 3 20s, 60p. If they cost B, then it'd be 3 times B, which would be 3b. So there's the cost of the 5 apples, there's the cost of the 5 bananas, and that gives you the total cost when you add them together. Example 3. A plumber has a £15 call-out fee and then charges £30 per hour. If he works X hours, write down a formula for the cost of a plumber. So if we start off with the subject of the formula, we're trying to find a formula for the cost of a plumber. So we'll use C for the cost of a plumber. It can be quite hard when they use the algebra here, so let's just use some numbers to help us understand this formula. Let's say he worked for 0 hours. What would it cost? It would cost £15 because there's a call-out fee of £15 no matter how much he does. If he worked for 1 hour, it's going to cost £15 plus it's going to cost him £30 for that 1 hour of work. If he worked 2 hours, it's going to cost £15 for the call-out fee plus 2 hours at £30, £60. In total, 75. If he worked 3 hours, there's a call-out fee, and there's 3 times 30. So if we say he works for X hours, it's going to be £15 plus 30 times the number of hours he works, which is 30 times X. And this, what I'm writing down here, is the cost. It's what C is equal to. So for 2 hours, for 3 hours, for X hours. So the cost for X hours work would be 15 plus 30 times the number of hours. And 30 times X, we should write that in a shorter way. We'll write that as 30X.